Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Chispa dating application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then simply type in Chispa dating and start your search. Now from the search results, you will be able to find the Chispa dating application. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Chispa dating application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And once you open up the application, you can proceed with logging into your account or signing up and creating a new one to immediately start using the dating application to start finding your match. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Chispa dating application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.